the San Diego County Sheriff's Department gives an update on the state of our jails. The department has faced criticism over the number of in-custody deaths.
CBS 8's Kelly has it all. She joins us live from the Sheriff's Technology and Information Center in Kearny Mesa with what she's learned. Hi, Kelly.
Yeah, and that's right. There are protesters actually right now outside the security gate as we speak. Now, so far this year, 8 people have died in custody. A doctor and a nurse are going to stand trial for an in-custody death that happened back in 2019. Sheriff Kelly Martinez today told reporters this.
If there's staff that are culpable in any of the deaths that occur in our facility, we will hold people accountable. At this time, we really are focusing on our health care in the jails. We think that's really important and key because the people who come into our custody are not always in the best of medical and mental health conditions. So that's really our focus. But nobody wants anyone to die in custody.
And Sheriff Martinez highlighted some of the efforts and changes that she says are happening in the jails. One thing she mentioned is they're taking urine samples from people during the intake process to see exactly what is in their system at the time that they're brought in. Sometimes people don't even know themselves. The medical officer told me that before, staff was assessing people based on what their symptoms look like. Another thing that was talked about was really making an effort to keep drugs of any kind out of jails. So they now screen people for drugs using body scanner technology. They also have a narcotics interdiction team positioned at places that they know smuggling typically happens.
This specialized contraband and narcotics interdiction team mans all of our booking facilities. This team has been effective, and at the San Diego Downtown Jail, they have intercepted narcotics on more than 200 occasions just since January of this year.
And she also mentioned the need for upgrades at a lot of the jail facilities and the millions of dollars that it's going to take to do that. The Central Jail, the Vista Jail, both very old, need millions of dollars worth of upgrades. And the new Rock Mountain facility is going to be partially opening up, and that is going to house 200 inmates to start. Kelly Hessedall, CBS 8.
A lot of scrutiny on this one, Kelly. Thank you for that.